Where were you?
Well, I was in my room, which is right under 234 where it happened. I was watching TV with my family, and there were some arguments. We heard some yelling outside at first, but of course that didn't alarm us at first because when you're living in a motel, things kind of happen. And then the shots happened. The first one, we thought it was firecrackers, being that's so close to the 4th of July that they were just firing off some firecrackers, but. After the second and third shot went out, and that's when my son, I knew what it was. My son jumped to the floor, went down. He's 18, went down to the floor. My wife kind of got startled. I didn't. We knew what it was, but I knew it wasn't that close to my door. I looked out the peephole. There was nothing going on, so then I started hearing the daughter screaming, "Help me! Help me! My mom's been shot! My mom's been shot!" So I told my son to give me towels. I ran out the door, ran upstairs, and ran in there. And that's when I found out that it was her son that shot her here, and she was holding her. I don't know if it was a toddler. It could have been 1 year old, 2 year old, or something. Um, and he left on in a Cherokee, from what I understand, about to happen. I didn't see him, unfortunately. I did. There were witnesses that he was here earlier in the day when it happened. It was very tragic. I mean, the way she was, it must have been up close, right by the door. She was pinned between the bed and the door, and so it was really hard to actually get access to like her wounds and stuff. I just wanted to apply pressure and try to give her a chance. I kept calling. I asked for her name. They gave me her name, and I was just saying, hang in there. They're on their way. My wife was on the phone with the paramedics, with 911. My son was on the phone with 911, thinking that says they're right around the corner here. They were going to be here within minutes or seconds. They were here maybe 15 minutes after the fact, and they got here as soon as she took her last breath, which I was there, and at that point, there was nothing anybody can do at that point. She was gone.